Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We're continuing our exploration and discussion around IT asset management as a process. And one of the many things that an effective IT management process, you've heard me talk about effective CMDB, right? And the difference and benefits that brings to organizations, especially helping them along their maturity scale. Effective IT asset management provides similar benefits. It is probably going to force us to be a little more mature with our CMDB, but it'll do other little things for us. So as an example, because we now have a better handle on what our cost of acquisition is for equipment, and are able to track our depreciation, and we're able to track how long that equipment is around. When you start to marry other processes to it, we understand what repairs have been made to that equipment. So what's our actual total cost of ownership for certain equipment? And we're able to then better estimate what is the true end of life, and what are our true costs that went into maintaining equipment. We're able to get a much fuller picture of an organization, and are able to then, with that data, make better decisions on their retirement and replacement, and then acquisition of a replacement piece of equipment. So the data that is going to be available to you by following an effective asset management process is going to be pretty substantial. And if you use it, it's going to help you make better decisions. Stay with us as we continue to explore all of the things that IT asset management and the CMDB can bring to our organization.